Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin was just teasing yesterday when it started to come down here. It made a new local low, but not an overall new low in this correction. So it seems to be still in some kind of a corrective wave and has not yet finished the entire wave 2 correction that started here on the 14th of July. So let's take a look at the potential wave counts. Would like to show you a couple of alternative wave counts in this video here as well. Now, on the way down here, we are obviously in this wave 2 correction, which is an ABC correction. The C wave is a 5-wave move, but it is an ending diagonal, so the subwaves are ABC structures. So that's why in the 5th wave, that's the wave I think we're in, I'm tracking an ABC structure. Now, we talked about it before. This is the base case, but there could be a WXY structure, which just makes it a little bit different, this wave count. Then we wouldn't have an A, B, C. It would just be a W, X, Y. And that's slightly different because then we would say that within the Y wave, we have an A. Let me think. A B and a C. Does it make a great difference? Not really, okay, not really. It doesn't make a great difference. So I keep it with what we had because it's valid and both point towards similar targets. Just want to show you, let's say, a different base case. Now, if we then zoom in to our preferred wave count, we say, okay, if we come down in this ABC structure in wave 5, where are we? So in my first interpretation, we are basically here in the B wave still. It hasn't made a new local high yet, so it's not 100% confirmed, but we could be in this B wave after A wave bottomed on the 4th of August. The B wave could happen now, and it would be a flat structure. So the B wave itself unfolds as an ABC, A wave, probably here, B wave, C wave in wave B, and it would go a little higher potentially. Yeah. Here we have resistance all the way up to 29,750. And from there, it could come down in a C wave, in a 5-wave move. The first target I'd be watching is 28,320. It can go a little lower. The next fib level, as you know, is 27,480. And a really hard level that we have is 26,280, which is basically the invalidation point for the scenario. However, it's more like it's not a hard invalidation point. It's not a formal invalidation point. It's more like if we go and sustain below that level, we're likely going to see invalidation. We're not even close to that level right now. You need to understand that. Yeah, and that is sort of one scenario where we could still push a little higher at the moment short term in this B wave. Only really above 29,750. Things might turn a bit more bullish. Okay. Do we have another wave count? Yes, we have another potential wave count here. There I would say that the A wave bottomed actually here. The B wave topped here, and we're now moving down so we came down in a wave 1. Yeah, this could be a wave 2 actually, potentially, and we come down in the 3rd wave next, 4, 5. But you can see it doesn't make a great difference. It just depends on how high do we go here in the corrective wave. And all I can say is we have entered resistance again, and it's not possible to say which one it is. You just need to be aware that against 29,750, the focus is still on lower, and it doesn't seem to me that Bitcoin has completed the overall correction yet, so I still expect lower. Ideal target 28,320 to 27,480. I've seen that a lot of people on YouTube get bearish again. This is potentially good because it is often what you can witness towards the end of these wave 2 corrections. Yeah. So you start to see bearish news like the Hyobi news. Now you see a lot of people getting bearish again because they get bored or frustrated. And that's oftentimes a signal that, yeah, we're getting into the sentiment that is needed to turn around. Okay. Because psychologically, it means that some of these people might be selling, right? And then when there are no sellers left, price is going to turn around. Okay. So that's just simplified. What we typically see is in a wave 2 that price comes back to the 50% retracement level, and that is again here the 28,320 level, and it hasn't reached that 50% level yet, even though it came very close. So generally it's here. This is the trend reversal area, which is relevant for the wave 2. It's quite a large wave degree, which is also why I've included all the fibs. And I think it's all about paying attention to the relevant Fibonacci levels and the wave structure to understand when we form a local low, or a lasting low actually, in this wave 2, which could then take us higher. But so far, I haven't got that evidence yet. Yeah, sort of short-term higher is always possible. We just need to understand that if it's a corrective rally, it can always come down again. So I'll pay attention to that. I will let you know as soon as possible if I see a low in place. First of all, members on the Signals channel will be informed on Telegram and Discord, Gold members. So if you're interested in that, check that out. And besides, I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.